For an above knee amputee, losing a limb doesn't just affect mobility, it changes everyday life. Walking, climbing stairs, or even crossing the road can suddenly become a challenge. But every new beginning starts with one decision. At KARE Prosthetics and Orthotics, every mobility journey begins with understanding the individual. Our clinicians take the time to listen, evaluate your condition, and create a personalized care plan based on your needs, lifestyle, and goals. A successful mobility journey starts with a detailed assessment. We carefully evaluate your residual limb, muscle strength, balance, overall health, and daily activities to recommend the prosthetic solution that's right for you. A prosthetic limb is only one part of the mobility journey. A comfortable fit, precise alignment, and structured mobility training help patients improve balance, posture, and walking confidence, one step at a time. Every training session brings new progress. With expert guidance and regular practice, patients gradually build strength, confidence, and greater independence in their daily lives. The goal of every mobility journey is to help patients return to everyday life with confidence. From walking on uneven surfaces and climbing stairs to crossing roads safely, every achievement represents greater independence and improved quality of life.